Today we're gonna make high cal, low protein
Nobody wants that.
sandwiches.
This is terrible for you then.
I like high calorie, super low protein sandwiches. Okay. We're gonna go high protein, low cal ice cream sandwiches. Wanna go? Say 4 ingredient, high protein, low calorie,
4 ingredients, how we do
high protein,
high protein,
low calorie ice cream sandwiches.
low tiny.
Oh,
I got right.
okay.
I got right.
You want to make the easiest ice cream sandwich ever?
Sandwich, yeah.
Let's add this.
Cereal.
Let's add some low cal, reduced fat, Cool Whip.
Almost got it. Let me do it again.
And then let's add some protein powder. I think that's it. We'll just whip that. You got a spoon or something? All right. All right. Stir it up.
Stir. Almost got it. Stir.
What's it look like, babe?
Sandwich?
Sandwich filling? Let's see.
Almost
Let's show.
like that.
All you do is fold it in. All right. Let's assemble. Is that too much? You think so?
That's too much like a baker.
I'll go this way. Need it, yeah. Wait. All right. Mom's getting nervous, but it's not going to the edges. Doesn't look pretty. Wants it right. Perfect. You gotta flip it over, girl. You're upside down.
Mommy, I will give it. Mommy, I will give it to you and get it taste.
No, wait, it has to freeze first. It's going to become like ice cream. We're going to put it in the freezer and then we'll eat it after dinner.
We're just gonna assemble these
Just a
until we
little
run
one
out of cream.
thing right
So
there.
right now, she says 6. Where do you think Oreos come from?
Heaven,
What copy, Mom? Where do you think Oreos are coming from?
I will smack your tummy like that.
Oh. All right, ready for the freezer. All those ingredients made 6 full ones and 1 little one.